Yeah, now we do.
That was so rude.
Thank you. Sitting sit cross applesauce.
Sit cross applesauce?
Hands in the bowl.
It's crisscross.
Crisscross applesauce.
You said sit cross applesauce.
Sit cross applesauce.
It's
Hands in the bowl.
Crisscross applesauce.
Hands in the bowl, Par.
It's spoon in the hole.
No, it isn't.
Crisscross applesauce.
Spoons in the bowl.
Hands in the applesauce.
Hands in the bowl.
Hi everyone, my name's Peyton.
My name's Bren.
And this is our
Vlog. No, vlog.
This could be the part where it goes to the intro. Dun, 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 boop, boop.
Let's get some opera. I have no motivation.
This makes my voice thick.
Wait, let me sing and then I'll be over. Like the fat lady is singing.
What?
But you're not fat.
I feel like we're in carpool karaoke.
Oh my gosh. I wish. Maybe we'll get on carpool karaoke someday.
Maybe one day when we're famous.
This guy.
Brace this guy.
Titan.
Put him in his place. Oh yeah, go the back way. See that line?
Yeah,
Insane.
Hi.
Okay, let's play some bop.
Some bop. Some tunes. Some groovy
Turn that beat up.
Move it, baby, stick it, baby, move it, baby, lick it, baby, suck up on that click it till that she got a hickey, baby.
You don't like bye-bye music. Well, that was fun.
Oh, jerk. That city girl's twerk is for a jerk.
that city girl's twerk is for a jerk. You heard it here. Mama Sharon. Everyone, I am getting a new car. I have an Audi A4, but the oil's messed up, so the back of my car always becomes black. So I'm gonna get a bigger car. So now we're gonna look at some SUVs. I really want a Range Rover, but those are hella expensive. So I'm not gonna like, they're really pretty, but we're gonna just look around and see what I can find. Look at the Jeep first while we're here.
Ooh.
Mom, the Jeep. I like Jeeps too, but apparently they're really like gas hogs. But look how pretty.
A lot of problems.
Does it? Pretty.
Ow. Hi.
Cruising down the street in my Jeep. Jocking the, catching the.
What?
Okay, let's go. Next car.
Next car.
Are y'all ready?
Ready?
They're all used, Peyton.
Beautiful.
I'm not gonna get a brand new car. What am I, freaking Paris Hilton?
Yeah. I don't know about you, but I am.
You're Paris Hilton?
Yeah.
Oh my god, nice to meet you. My name's Peyton.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Okay, this is another car I was considering. ML 350. Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC.
I'm Cormax.
Cormac!
I got too excited.
Okay, oh, I'm excited about this one. This one is not, I like this one. Ew.
This one smells like blue cheese. What the actual?
Oh wow, this is my new car.
You probably want black seats.
So this is another car that I was considering, the Cadillac. This is actually pretty nice.
This one's nice.
I actually do like,
really nice.
This one's probably really expensive though.
This one is 28,000,
Less than the other one.
but it's only a year old.
Oh, so yeah, it's like brand new.
Yeah.
This is like a touch.
Isn't that cute?
Oh, I really like the sunroof.
Yeah.
That's what I look at, the sunroof.
Hey.
This is my new car, again. This is a Cadillac, nice.
We bought 3 cars today so far.
It's
Yeah.
Thinking about
I like
more.
this car, Mom.
I know, this is nice. They're all like this.
This is really nice.
Yeah, I really like this. I like this a lot. This is definitely a big option.
It's not too much and it's not too
Yeah,
much.
I like this, and
Yeah.
it's sleek, and it's I like this. It's comfy. It reminds me of like a Tesla.
So nice.
Let's go look at the Range Rover.
I was over in it.
So excited about the Range Rover. This is the Range Rover. Yay!
Cute.
This is what I want in white. Oh, I hope I don't fall in love right now, because if I fall in love, then I'm screwed.
These are tiny. This would be appropriate.
Look, that's like a dial. Wow.
And it's 27,000. But I bet if you...
That whole thing is a sunroof, I swear.
It's a Land Rover. This is a Land Rover.
Isn't Land Rover a Range Rover too? There's
I
3.
like the sunroof and the other one much better.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like 3 separate. That's a little.
I think you can see over the dashboard better in the other one too.
This is cool.
It is really cool though.
This is for a taller person.
I like this.
Or a guy.
I
It's
like
like a guy's car. I feel like
Yeah,
a
Bob.
manly car.
Bob and Greta.
I like manly cars.
Ben's manly. Found out that me and Bryn went to the same preschool. That's insane. Who knew?
This girl with a cast used to beat me up.
We've arrived at.
There you go.
Oh.
No, it just unfixed itself. I fixed it.
Does that look fun?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm like a little kid with like a.
Am I holding this now? Because I don't really want to.
I said someone can go in there thinking.
Oh. I don't want to hold this. I feel like I'm bad at it.
I always hold it.
I know, but I don't know what to do with my life.
Talk to them. Tell them what. Tell them about your Christmas.
I don't know how to tell them how I feel. My Christmas is pretty good. Hold on.
Yeah, I look like shit. Okay, say hi to the vlog. Hi. What's your name? Sarah. Sarah, nice to meet you, Sarah. My name's Peyton. So today I'm vlogging, just asking people how their Christmas was.
I mean, I look like this.
That's your Christmas?
Please help me.
We're walking on the wrong side.
I look really weird with my hair up. Should I take it down?
You don't look weird. You just think you look weird.
Marijuana.
Oh,
Let's get Liddy Titty at the mall.
CBD skincare.
CBD skincare.
I need some of that relaxation.
Bryn needs the CBD to RELAX.
R-E.
Paxson. This is Bryn hugging some girl.
Leah.
I work at PacSun.
Everyone come say hi.
Let's buy everything at PacSun.
Yes, buy everything here. We're vlogging. Say hi to the vlog.
Vlog. This is my beautiful friend.
You should like us.
Yeah, we are. We're professional vloggers.
Try not to be in the vlog, I dare you.
I don't like paparazzi.
You know. Wait, what? 80? Oh, I thought it was 60.
For 2 jeans, and the jeans themselves are 60.
Say hi.
Hi. This is Vladimir, my husband.
Porsche.
Well, that took a freaking long time, but
Well, she basically lives at PacSun though, so.
Maddie?
Yeah.
We've got a bunch of stuff. Well, not really,
I
but
dropped a fat $80 on 3 things.
I dropped a fat $54 on 2 things.
It's just like,
It's not even focused. This is odd.
but I got 2 pairs of $60 jeans. Hello. We need to walk because we have 10 minutes. We need to find.
Yeah, it is long, you're right. It looks like a robe.
It does.
Yeah, it does. Okay.
I think it would look cuter with other jeans. Let's shop it.
party together. Do you want the shiny I don't want the not shiny. So, your favorite store from the mall. Those are cute. They look so cute with the jeans.
Do they?
Yeah. The line's pretty long, so if you want to get in line.
The problem is they need like to be able to scan it.
You're gonna what?
Scan it. Listen to it.
Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious.
Good NASCAR, right?
Wow.
Okay, so first off, I got these pants. Aren't they cute? I think they're cute.
First thing I got is this white. There we go.
There we go.
It's just like a white thing. It's in the back.
Ooh, babe.
And it matches like perfectly.
She was gonna not get the sweatshirt, but I was a good friend and I told her to.
She forced me to.
The screen shirt. And they don't have anything down the side.
So for Christmas, me and my sister got a love sack and Bryn's gonna test it out.
Oh yeah. Can I sleep in this tonight? My cousins are coming over, so maybe not. Well, if we sleep in the basement. Okay.
How is it, Bryn?
It's wonderful. I really didn't, I thought it was gonna be more like a bean bag. But it's like, you just like, oh yeah. It's like a big fuzzball that you sink right into.
Okay, I found the Zoom.
It's Jordan, I could have used it so many times in Forever 21.
That's funny. Oh, it's for both of us.
Yeah, baby. Montage.
Yep, we're editing our video right now. Yum. Okay, we're gonna eat now. Sephora! So what exactly are you looking for?
I want this one Fenty lipstick.
Ooh, Fenty. Fancy, fancy. Oh, what is this?
What, this? I don't know.
Oh, it just comes with a, little lipstick and a...
It's such a cute jar though.
Yeah, that is cute. Ooh, Fenty, Rihanna. She's coming out with new music. I really like this, but like, how could I ever wear that? Let's be honest. That's true, but... Lip crayons. Metallic iron lip color. Ooh, that's... These are insane.
Like, I think you can only get them in sets.
Really? These are good. Everyone try these out.
I really want them.
This is beautiful too.
No, none of these are the same names.
Oh wow. Wow, I barely even swatched that. Oh my god. These are limited edition Laura Mercier powder. Just really cool packaging. Like, this is boring and this is so pretty. But they're out of my colors.
I like this one too though.
Yeah,
I really like these. And they're on sale.
What is this? Bite. Oh, I like these colors. These are cool. Glitter eyeshadow. Oh, they're the things I just saw over there. Those are pretty. Oh wow. Oh my god. That's insane. Let's see if they have... This is Blaze, that's the name of my cheer squad. I'm looking for like a goldy color, but I'm not sure if they have one. Foils.
Like the other colors.
Bryn, they don't really have like a light gold. I guess this one actually, kind of.
Ooh, that's pretty.
But I really like this one though.
You know Tarte has ones kind of like that.
Yeah, where? I didn't see any. Oh, smoke.
That's pretty. I like that.
But I don't know, the one... interesting. Okay, show me the other ones you were talking about. Whoa. Let me swatch it, wait. Oh my god. I want, how much is this?
22.
22? I'm doing so much makeup on the camera, but it's fine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This one looks, no, it's fine. This one looks like the other one.
I want one.
I think I'm gonna get the yacht one.
Which one should I?
What do you think about them?
I don't know. I don't think I like them.
I like them.
I don't like them on me.
Yeah, they're not really your style.
Yeah,
I agree with that.
Like,
Like these?
yeah.
The chunkier ones?
Yeah. I'm just not like. It's so.
Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, we got money to spend. Me and my friends, me and my